Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to install our IP geolocation add-on plugin. Before we start, let me show you what IP geolocation does. So if you go to our website, you will see this IP geolocation. So what IP geolocation does, it automatically detects your user's country, city, zip fields, and based on their IP address and add it on the form. So as you can see, I'm based in Dhaka, so you can see my zip code and country and state and city. So this is what can be done using our IP geolocation add-on. This is a premium add-on. You can buy it from our website. Now let me go through a tutorial. So in order to install this plugin, first you need to install our free version of Ultimate Addons. So you can go to WordPress plugin directory and then install Ultimate Addons from here. Now once you activate, as you can see, we haven't installed Autocomplete 7, so we need to do it. So let's reinstall Autocomplete 7. Now we need to install the Pro version. So for the Pro version, we need to go to our client portal. So from here you can download the products, Ultimate Addons Pro, and then you need to install our IP geolocation plugin. So this is one. Now you need to go to our website, click upload, and then first install the Pro version and activate, and then you need to add the add-on. Once you activate the Pro version, you need to add your license from here. We already added our license, so that is why it is not asking. You can get your license key from support license keys of your WordPress dashboard. Now, let me create a form. So let me name it IP geolocation. Before that, you need to go to Ultimate Addons settings. So by default, these are all disabled. We previously worked here, so that is why it's all showing enabled. I am currently disabling all the add-ons except for IPGeo field. So now, if we go to our IPGeo location form, so here you can see we have some fields here: city, state, and zip. Now we are missing the country field, for which we also need to enable the country drop-down field, which is a free plugin, free add-on. Now let me add it. So you can add a city. You need to select this autocomplete feature if you want to autocomplete the city field, and state, then zip code, then country drop-down. Okay, now let's add this on a page. geo. So if you now look on the front end, so as you can see, it's now showing. So that's basically it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you.